Do not try this at home.
Happy birthday, America.
Here we go!
Whoa! I want to go bigger.
I like to say, happy birthday, America. Johnny Geiger, welcome to America. This is what we do for America's birthday. We blow things up. So these things, they don't really blow up, but they do something.
What is that?
This thing? Pyro fire. Smoke bombs? Blazing Rebel.
You know the funny thing about those smoke bombs is
Blazing
that
Rebel.
our landlord gave us those.
No.
Yep.
Let's try not to light the place on fire. Zombie apocalypse. That's kind of that's kind of scary. Glow sticks. Silver snow fountain emits showers of sparks. Okay. Sparknado. That sounds like a fire waiting to happen. Poppets. Squash. Whatever that is, we don't know. I'm like a little more than slightly terrified for this video. Welcome to America. Well, let's do this. Can't see anything with these safety goggles.
Really?
They're like so scratched up. It's as if they were dragged face first across this parking lot. Wait, you got a lighter? How are we gonna light this thing?
I was just gonna bring a torch.
A torch.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's safe. You say I'm unsafe. I wanted to use butane gas. I guess we're just gonna light these on fire and you're gonna do tricks over it. All right. Okay.
Let me warm up a little bit.
Warm up? What is this? Summertime. You already warm up. You give this to. Nobody wants to use their own board. I'm like, just fireworks. What's gonna happen? A spark's gonna hit it and it won't make any mark? Nothing will happen to the board. Watch.
Aaron. Come on. You want to lay them out in the order we're gonna burn them?
Is there an order we're gonna burn them? I think we just kind of randomly pick and choose. I feel like color shock. Maybe that's a good place to start. Or just some sparklers on the board.
I will note that all of these are a year old, so if they blow up, sorry.
Smoke grenade. Does it say what color this is?
Nope, and I don't trust those at all.
Why?
Because I don't know where they came from.
We're gonna start slow, you know? I mean, this is America, and America things start slow. This one I call the Johnny Geiger Special. Can you do tray flip?
I will try.
I'll try. World's best flat ground skater will try. Okay. Boom. Tray flip. Okay, let's do it.
What if I'm gonna fall?
We have that in slow-mo too.
Don't catch on fire.
Once upon a time, a friend of mine accidentally set my shin on fire. That happened. Yeah.
Aaron, time to light them up.
How do we do this? You just hold it like that and I just
Whoa,
light
look
everything?
it. Dude, they're not gonna blow up, they're just sparklers, man.
Okay, Gabe. I don't see you lighting it.
You gotta get the, right there you go.
Come on. Go, Geiger, go.
Oh! He extinguished them all. Look, the sticker just came off. Oh,
It's done.
they're done.
I think I'm gonna go with the non-wide angle next time. If we're gonna do sparkler stuff.
That was the worst try flip I've done in my life.
You can go see if there's another board in there that you like more. If you want it.
That's alright.
Come on. America, America, my home and sacred land. Well, success. Well, do we just go to one of these? Color shock? What are we gonna do? Ollies?
Just don't hit it.
Or what?
Light them up.
Light 'em. Just go. Just go. You scared?
No.
Here we go!
Wait for my go.
Oh yeah, boy. Yeah. Oh, here it goes. It's gonna fall over. What do we got? Yeah! I love how it's like going right into our equipment. First try!
I was so close behind Geiger that I didn't see where the firework was, and I like almost landed on it. Damn, I hurt. That looks crazy.
It's sick. Woo!
I like popped so early, I feel like.
It's awesome though.
Bro,
intro for a movie?
Dude, he popped so early.
like an eagle.
Flying Chris. Straight through the smoke. The smoke looks cool too.
Floated.
Yeah, that's very cool. Man. There you go. The shorts and all.
Mm-hmm.
Super cool.
Cool.
You know-
next
you
next
know-
one we'll do a closer cut.
Huh. Interesting. Probably.
Does that seem kind of sketchy?
Oh, that's a little sketch.
Geiger's face.
Alright, TNT Blazing Rebel. YouTube.
This one here is called the Blazing Rebel. I don't know if this one's gonna work. Look on their faces.
This one looks like it's gonna hurt.
Yeah?
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Ah, that's not gonna hurt.
It's amazing.
Wait,
Good
why are
news.
you so far away just from the video?
You don't do this in Switzerland, right? You ready?
Yeah.
This one kind of scares me. You guys ready? I'm not scared. I'm scared. But I feel like somebody's gonna mess this one up. Chris. You think so?
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking at first, but then I was like, Chris never messes up. He's like the ultimate in I don't mess up.
Light him up.
Light him up. You ready?
Whoa! You guys can keep going for this camera. Chris, no!
It's okay.
I told you, Chris.
He
We
said
made
Chris is
bets
gonna
and
mess
said
it up,
that you
and I
were gonna
said
mess it
Chris
up.
never messes up. He's the epitome of perfection.
These are a little anticlimactic. I want to go bigger.
I mean, that looks awesome. Isn't that? That was a big ollie, Geiger.
Dude, I came so late on the first one. Maybe I came too early.
We are so close, dude.
I thought that's what the point was.
That was the point.
Maybe I gotta give it a little more time.
That front angle is just weird because it blocks off the actual view of the fireworks.
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
First person goes.
But I think I'm gonna get it from a side angle on this next one. You guys should try like a kickflip or something. Like now that we have a couple ollies.
Yeah.
Some sort of.
Popped up.
I just did a kickflip.
Yeah,
I just did it.
You ready?
Let me get the other lens set up. I got the zoom lens on, so I don't have to go any closer. What is that one?
Sparkling Glory. Basically kind of similar. It goes like this.
Geiger!
There you go.
I just threw up in my mouth.
Poor guy.
Bless you, Johnny. Thanks.
Bless you, Johnny.
Thanks. Oh!
Give me my board back. Johnny Geiger, kickflip fireworks. Round one. Fight! Ah! I'm not scared. I'm not scared. I'm terrified. Oh yeah, baby.
Oh! Okay. Go again. No!
Aaron, you idiot.
I just risked my very life. The only guy that doesn't have goggles on.
Do not try this at home.
Too much pressure.
Too much pressure.
Can you try it again?
Yeah, I want to.
It's a lot harder when you're going over flames and sparks too.
Yeah, it
Harder than you think.
Just in case I have to risk my very life and limbs to put it up again. Wow, it's really going.
I think that's it. See that?
It got in my sleeve somehow.
Wow.
Oh!
Man down.
Yeah, I'm good.
Just a little tat, you know?
Yeah, my first tattoo.
That's kind of cool with all the smoke revealing.
Yeah, I couldn't see like a lot because of the smoke.
Couldn't see?
Yeah.
No, look, kickflip.
Oh my
Looks
god, that's insane.
Bro, my boy got so much bars with the filming. Man,
It looks epic.
really.
Looks tight, man. That kickflip was perfect. It's all silhouetted in the smoke and everything.
Let's go, Geiger!
Nice,
Boston.
dude.
Boston is saucy.
Well, what now? Some sparklers?
Let's burn Chris McNugget's other arm.
Maybe on the next one I'll be in the background with sparklers.
Or should I try?
Varial flip.
Heel flip?
Oh yeah, heel flip would be cool. The first time that board has
My
ever
board
been heel
has
flipped.
never missed a heel flip. And don't you start disgracing it now, Geiger.
Chris, you're up next.
Well, I'd like a back 180.
All right.
That was
Mike.
straight up burning every part of my arm. That's not
Proper, bro.
Oh, sick. Dang. Look at those sparklers in the background.
Nice, dudes.
Hey,
Got it.
got him.
Yeah, sick.
What's
You
next?
did a really good job holding those sparklers.
Yeah, I did. I only got burned like 14 times.
Aim it at Aaron's face and then pull the string.
I'm scared.
Do it. Where do you get burned? Oh wow.
That's a legit
I
burn.
thought that was like a skin spot.
No,
What are we going with?
we're gonna do unglued.
Let's get the heel flip, Johnny.
Let's do a heel flip, Gagger. Does somebody want to hold a sparkler?
Yeah.
Oh, Sparky!
Oh!
Okay.
Oh!
You got it.
Wait.
Oh, wait.
Wait.
Wait, don't get near it, Aaron.
Aaron, careful. Go.
Oh my God! Johnny, no! Are you okay? Oh my God!
I didn't hit it.
It exploded.
It exploded.
Let's see the slump.
The whole box pops up in the air.
Oh no!
Look at this.
Right before he popped.
Oh my God.
I should have committed to that.
Yeah.
Hell, that's a hard one to
You
commit
totally
to. Though.
had it right there.
Yeah, I had it. I was just like scared by the like.
I don't trust that thing.
I mean, I put it out, but I got new shoes. How perfect was that timing? Like, we waited for quite a large amount of time,
was so
and then right when he went,
I saw it coming now.
boom!
All right, shall we? Aaron and his sparklers.
Go. Oh boy. Go. Let's go.
Whoa!
Ah, sorry.
That was a hard one.
That was a cool one. All right, time for the grand finales.
The grand finales.
I think we should do the Sparkna one first because we have two of them.
This
The-
one is probably gonna be
These
too
usually
hard.
last a long
Yeah.
time though, so you'll have enough time.
You want to just ollie this one?
Dude, that was sick.
And the weapon was like going for a second.
Oh yeah, looks cool. Little sparks everywhere. Did it burn you, Johnny?
Slightly. Not too bad.
That looks cool with the smoke.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, it's like going off right in your shorts.
Oh!
I know, I felt that one. It popped like right here. I was
Yeah.
like, whoa.
Nice.
Okay, so we're hitting the Sharknado. TNT Sharknado. Warning, may ignite. Soak with water after use. Okay.
You're good whenever.
It literally shot up and I saw the spark and it was like boom right in my ear. Worst idea ever. It was going crazy. That looks sick.
So rocket.
Who cares? It looks
Rocket
sick.
power.
Your foot looks awesome. And then you
Yes.
land and it starts going off again. Like you went like right in between two parts where it was like you would have died.
I want to redo that.
Game on.
Yeah, Johnny! Woo! The grand finale!
Let's go!
Wow.
That's America right there.
Yeah.
Bars.
Hey, Switzerland.
America.
That's America.
So steezy. That was so good though.
Thanks.
Hey, that was sick, bro.
All right, so this is Pistol Pete, not to be confused with Pistol other guy.
Good.
Now look at the toe drag. In slow motion, you can see it's.
It wasn't that bad.
It was pretty
really
bad.
I mean,
I got so slow after.
Like right here.
Oh, what? Blew
Oh.
up right in your face.
And then
see that nollie.
he's a
that nollie heel,
That
man.
was so
good.
large.
Damn, dude. Look at that.
No, he had to do it.
That was awesome.
Woo!
I'm gonna go probably like that.
I'm gonna set these guys right here.
It ain't pretty. It's on there though. I don't think
This
that's coming
looks
off.
awful, dude. That worked.
Dang!
Nice. So these aren't gonna blow up.
You never know. I mean, really.
I can't see you!
Ah! Game.
Oh!
Dude, it looks so rad. It's cool.
I think that's it. That was rad. You got both tricks?
No, I only got the one because like the smoke completely covered up from my perspective, the first one.
Because that black one exploded right when you went.
That's cool.
3 times in a row.
Let's go, Geiger.
Sick, that's tight, dude.
A huge thanks to Beyond Slow Motion for coming out and filming. That was completely incredible. And Johnny Geiger for coming out and skating. That was completely incredible.
So sick.
You guys absolutely crushed it. The links to their channels will be in the description below. Definitely check it out. Check out all the other videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, learn how to skateboard. This is your time. Let's go.